Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time for another Stampin' Up! Haul. The new catalog came out, and ooh, so many great papers. So I bought lots of papers and some stamp sets and a few things that I would love to show you, so let's go ahead and get started. So first thing, you probably can't even see this one, but this is the wood textured. It's a 12 by 12 specialty paper. Yeah, you can't even see it, but I can see it, and it is very pretty. So I'm going to be setting these off to the side as I go through them. This one is called To the Market. I got that there. What's this one here? This one is Frames and Flowers, and I'm only showing you the paper that I got in the pack. I will go through and I will show them to you individually in a separate video. It would just take way too long. But look at those colors, how pretty. This one is already one of my favorites. It's called Mediterranean Blooms. And look at how pretty that is. It's got your lemons and oranges. And those little flowers are just so cute, the blossoms. This one is called Take to the Sky, 12 by 12, all of these so far. And look at these little tags that are on there. So this looks like it can make a lot of great manly cards. All right, this one, actually, this is the first time I'm seeing this one. And what's this one called? I love the little eyelets, that's for sure. Oh, it's called Country Lace. Very pretty. So we've got that. Then we've got this one, which is Textured Metallics. It's got 3 different colors in there. But there you go. You can see everything there. This one, oh, this is like a wood grain. This is called Country Woods. And this is the first one. I cannot wait to see the rest of those. So let's see, what else do we have here? I'm almost finishing up with at least the 12 by 12s. This is called Wildly Flowering. And this is Thoughtful Designs. So I'm holding it up, I haven't even seen it. Oh, okay, they've got, is there a little bit of a glisten and a glow to it? Not that I could see, but it's very pretty. All right, let's see what other fun stuff we have. We have more papers. These are the 6 by 6s. This is called Lily Pond Lane. Very cute. This is the Designer Series paper. I got one of these in every group of colors. So that is the Brights. We've got this one here, which is in the Regals. And you can see all the different colors that are in there. This one is in the Neutrals. And you'll see they're all the same. Well, they're just different colors. We've got, this is called Thoughtful Journey. Very pretty. Oh, I cannot wait to see those cards. Back to the colors. And these are the subtles. And you can barely tell, but there is those little circles there. Brights. I think we already saw the Brights, right? We did. The back is just so pretty. And then this one is the In Colors. The In Colors, these are the 2023 through 2025. They have new designs, so I did put them in my paper pack, which we did paper shares, where we're going to have a nice big party. And so speaking of party, I often have games at my different events like this. And so we are going to have prizes. We play bingo and different games. And this is one of the prizes. It's going to be the penciled pear. And then, of course, I got one for myself because this will be an upcoming class. So, a penciled pear. So, when you win, not only do you get the stamp set, but you also get to attend the class for free. And we've got Layers of Beauty. That's another stamp set. Very pretty. I thought that was pretty. And that has a mask that goes with it, a decorative mask. So you can color those in really pretty. Some of these are sneak peeks of classes that'll be coming, so keep your eye out. This is called Simply Zinnia Dies. I'm going to open these up because there had to have been something on here that I just absolutely loved, because I never just buy the stamp set without buying the whole entire bundle, unless I don't care for the bundle. And I know I don't have the Zinnia stamp set, so I have to open this up and see. No, I don't know. There's that. You know, I may have bought it as a prize, because I do have prizes. That might have been what it is. We'll see. We'll keep moving and see what we find. I may have to go. I placed this order late at night, so you never know what happens with my sleepy eyes. Let's see. I've got the Eyelet 3D embossing folder. Beautiful. I've seen so many great cards with that. And then another prize, 2 of them. I've got the cute crocheted 3D embossing folder. Look at that. So pretty. And then with the Layers of Beauty stamp set, it comes with a complete bundle. So you can also get the dies that go with, just trying to open this up. You get the dies that go with that. And there we go. So those dies are going to go with the Layers of Beauty stamp set. So very pretty. I have a few other things. Of course, I cannot place an order without embellishments. And these embellishments, they're iridescent faceted gems. And I don't know if you could see. So pretty, but look up close. There we go. And then, of course, I had to rebuy these because they are one of my favorites. They are the brushed brass butterflies. That's hard to say. And, of course, we've got some ribbon. We've got this one, which is the iridescent ribbon. So I've got some beautiful iridescent going on. And then the gold and silver trim combo. And we've got that. So that was my haul. Most of it's going to be packaged up and sent away on our paper share. And I always do paper shares every time a new catalog comes out. So if you want to know more about that for the future, just go to beautyandthestamper.com and you will be able to sign up for my newsletter there. There's a pop-up right in the beginning where you can put your information in and be on the newsletter for future events. But yeah, that's everything that I have. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of the week. All right, beauties, take care, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.